typical weather in UK. Look at that wind. Oh my god, all the pots in the garden are upside down. I can't do anything about it because I already did. Oh, look. I think I lift that pot at least 5 times today and it's still on the floor. So I'll just leave it there. And yeah, and raining, and look at the wind. And this is a typical weather in England. Isn't that great? My Kana, they're kind of suffering as well. They were on the floor this morning. Oh well, at least my babies are nice and cozy in here and enjoying the life. Look at that new picture.